40 years, trials and hardships, 40 years, achieves the current resplendence. Henan Province Sitong Boiler Company Limited. In 1968, Henan Province Sitong Boiler Company Limited is established in Taikong, China. From then, people in Sitong Boiler is on the way to progress and pursuit of excellence. The current Sitong Boiler has grew to a powerful modern enterprise, and the company covers an area of 260,000 square meters. It has the manufacturer qualification of Grade A boiler and Class D1, D2 pressure vessel, and has passed the international certificates of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CE, and SGS, etc. The annual production capacity reaches to 20,000 TH. The main products are coal-fired steam hot water boilers, biomass-fired steam hot water boilers, oil-fired steam hot water boilers, gas-fired steam hot water boilers, electric heating boilers, thermal oil heaters, hot air stoves. In 2015, Sitong Boiler cooperated with Taiwan Zhuhao Industrial Company Limited and produced once-through structure steam boiler with the advanced manufacturing process and technology. The boiler has the characteristics of elegant appearance, intelligent control, quick startup, quiet operate, environmental protection, and high efficiency. The once-through structure boiler has won a high degree of recognition and reputation. Sitong Boiler is making progress with giant strides. The company always adhere to the business philosophy of technology innovation, actively implements the activities of internal and international technology communication and cooperation, and learns the advanced technical and management experience. Currently, the company owns more than 10 talents for each type's technologies and has a complete range of advanced and dedicated equipment for processing, welding, flow detecting, and testing. Sitong Boiler responds to the national industrial policy and industry demands positively, uses the advanced technology to manufacture the new products. The company promotes the environmental protection technology and relies on the huge talent team to upgrade the boiler manufacture technology continuously. The proprietary technologies of Sitong Boiler have filled the void of national technologies. The company has obtained multiple national technical invention patent and awarded national and provincial high-quality product prizes. Sitong Boiler will forever remember the great mission of develop enterprise through science and technology, serve country through industry development, innovate sustainably, and keep moving. When devoting to research and development on high-efficiency, energy-saving, and environmental protect boilers, Sitong Boiler pay attention to the establishment of service team as well. Currently, Sitong Boiler has set up after-sales service sites in more than 200 cities all over the world. There are professional technical engineers and equipped with spare parts and wearing parts. Otherwise, there is a professional service department to offer service in 7 days, 24 hours, 365 days, from pre-sales to after-sales. Moreover, the technical engineer offers one-to-one service to every customer for problem resolving. For each sold boilers, Sitong Boiler will offer remote monitoring tracking service, quality warranty, and lifelong maintenance service. The boiler have been exported to more than 60 countries and districts all over the world, including America, England, Germany, Saudi Arabia, Australia, Africa, etc. Sitong Boiler has won the world's respect and trust because of excellent quality, high efficiency, and integrity. In the future, Sitong Boiler will adhere to the goal of be a century enterprise to service the society and keep the development way of industrialization, scale, and branded. Leaded by the great ideal of revitalized national industry, Sitong Boiler will break through all obstacles and advance bravely. Sitong Boiler warmed the whole world safely. Henan Province Sitong Boiler Company Limited.